Thoughtful problem solving in chemistry means carefully thinking through what you know, what you need to find, and how different pieces of information connect so you can reach the correct answer. Thoughtful problem solving is like being a detective who looks for clues and uses rules to put them together. So start by reading the problem slowly and identifying the given information and the question. Next, decide which chemistry ideas apply, such as conservation of mass, the behavior of atoms and molecules, or how concentration and temperature affect reactions, and write down the relationships or equations you will use. Then plan a step-by-step method to move from what you know to what you need, showing your work and checking units and signs as you go. And if a number or step looks wrong, pause and recheck the assumptions. Finally, evaluate whether the result makes sense physically and chemically. For example, by checking that quantities are positive and within expected ranges. A common mistake is jumping into calculations before understanding the question, which leads to wrong paths. So pause and paraphrase the problem first to avoid wasted work. Another frequent error is ignoring units or failing to convert them, which causes numerical mistakes. So always write units and convert them early. Students also sometimes forget to check whether their answer is reasonable. So spend a moment comparing your result to known values or limiting cases to catch errors. For more videos and resources that go deeper into thoughtful problem solving in chemistry, check out www.gumballdegree.com.